Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we talk about carrots, which is good for eye, and if cut it will see like human eyes. If not subscribe to my channel, subscribe. Carrots are not only good for your eyesight but also versatile in cooking and packed with nutrients like beta-carotene. History of carrots. They were first cultivated in Central Asia over 5,000 years ago, originally for their leaves and seeds rather than the orange taproot we are familiar with today. Over time, different varieties were developed, eventually leading to the orange carrot we commonly see. They were initially used for medicinal purposes before becoming a staple in cuisines around the world. Carrots are packed with nutrients like beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, essential for eye health. They're also a good source of fiber, potassium, and antioxidants, which can help lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and certain cancers. Plus, their crunchy texture promotes dental health by stimulating saliva production and reducing the risk of cavities. Carrots are an excellent source of beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A. Once consumed, the body converts beta-carotene into vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining good vision, a healthy immune system, and proper functioning of organs like the heart, lungs, and kidneys. Just one medium-sized carrot can provide well over 100% of your daily vitamin A needs.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And